set your alarms because Kylin Alcantara is preparing another exciting performance for All Out Sundays. On Instagram, the Sparkle star teased her followers with a video of herself practicing aerial silk dance. Teaser for tomorrow, she wrote in the caption. In another post, she shared a throwback video of another breathtaking performance she previously did for the show. Bringing this feeling back a bit tomorrow, she said. Definitely a thrill seeker. Aside from being on All Out Sundays, every weekend, Kylin is also set to star in Shining Inheritance, where she will play an antagonist role. She last played an antagonist role 5 years ago in Kambal, Karibal. Kylin will be joined by Kate Valdez, Paul Salas, Michael Saver, and Connie Reyes. The series originally starred Lee Sung-hae, Han Yo-joo, Moon Chae-won, and Bae Soo-bin. It follows a woman from a rich family who suddenly loses everything after the death of her father.